A few weeks ago, police say Radcliffe slashed, as you heard, his estranged wife's tires. Then the judge grants a 4-year restraining order on Thursday, just 3 days before the massacre. Now, that very same day, another shooting with striking similarities takes place in Orlando at a beauty spa. A gunman opens fire, killing 3 women and wounding his wife. He kills himself. It's almost exactly the same scenario. He was also ordered by the courts to stay away from his wife. So very delighted to have with us tonight Diane Rosenfeld, who is an attorney and a lecturer at Harvard Law School, and she is one of the nation's top experts in restraining orders. Thank you for joining us. To me, I see this and I say, maybe, quite often, and I've covered these kind of stories a million times, it seems, where a restraining order leads to murder, that restraining orders for some men are triggers. They feel powerless, helpless, cut off from the person that they're obsessed with, and they go on a vendetta mission. Your thoughts as an expert?
My thoughts of an expert is that domestic violence homicide is so predictable as to be preventable. And it's time we stop looking at it as a domestic dispute like over who's going to wash the dishes. This is domestic terrorism. This woman said, I am terrorized every waking moment of my life, in her court order, in her plea for an injunction. And the court could have taken that as well and said, she's in a lethal situation. Now, what works, we have found out on a national scale, is that you do danger assessments in every domestic violence case. In both of these Salon shootings, the dangerousness was off the charts. The signs were there, and they weren't paid attention to, and it was totally predictable. If you gave me these cases, I could have told you that this would have happened.
So you're saying that this horrific massacre could have been prevented. How so? How could they have done it differently?
Because by listening to the women, and the women said that they were threatened with murder. So the threat to kill a woman in an abusive situation is the top threat that screens you in as a very lethal case. And law enforcement in Massachusetts, for example, were using high-risk case assessment teams. And this program has been very successful at stopping domestic violence homicide. And we use it in conjunction with GPS monitoring of dangerous domestic violence offenders. So it's a very simple questionnaire. It's a danger assessment. And the 3 top questions are, has he threatened to kill you? Do you think he can kill you? And does he have access to a weapon? And in both cases, we would have screened in that these were high-risk cases. And then the team gets together and they figure out how to monitor